Okay, I received a motor today that I ordered from Kaufland.cz. And apparently it's come from Poland, from a company there. And right off, already the box is damaged. And it's not even packed very well. Look at this big hole you can just move. This is how it was packed. I did take off this wrapping already to have a look, and it's bent. I don't know what we're gonna do. I gotta write them, but I'm doing this video just to upload and so they can see. Look how much space. The whole motor can move around in there. Just I can put my whole fist in there. That's how much space. So it's rolling around. There's a hole. There's the hole that you can see from the outside. That's how it came today. The guy dropped it off. My wife signed for it, but she had a baby in the hand, and the guy just, here you go, sign here. So I don't know if it's signed that we accepted the delivery as is or what. We didn't get a copy of any paperwork, and actually, no paperwork in the box. Nothing. Show you the motor. There we go. Let's pull it out here. Okay, this is how it was wrapped. It wasn't taped. No tape, no nothing. Just in the bubble wrap. And it was just basically rolled up like this in this bubble wrap. Trying to do this one-handed, but it should be quite easy because it's not taped. I already unrolled it to have a quick look, and I decided to stop because it's damaged. I gotta contact directly. I don't know. I've never bought anything off Kaufland.cz. Okay, here's the motor. Just a second. Okay. And this is a motor for a Kärcher vacuum cleaner, hoover, Visabach. Okay, does anybody see it yet? Or let's take it off the bubble wrap, get a clear picture. You can see it already, I can. Look at this, smashed on the side here. Okay. The problem is it's bent. You can see it's going down. This is kind of bent down, if you can see. It should be straight like this side. And I'm afraid to go put the motor into the supposed to be new replacement motor. And I'm afraid of put it in without finding out if I can return this. That's the piece here. I don't know, I suppose it would still work, but hopefully, I don't know if it's damage going in under the shaft in there. And I'm not going to test it until I get confirmation of what I should do. I'd prefer to return it. But there you are, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to take some photos and then also upload this video. Okay, and there is the details of this motor. And there was actually no paperwork in the package. So I don't even know about return policies or nothing. I'm gonna have to go online and check out the purchase agreement. Yeah. So once again, I am highly suspecting that hit that corner there. That probably came through the hole or hit and bent that somehow in shipping. But the guys didn't even, whoever wrapped it up just that and left it in a whole big box without securing it inside the box without it rolling around. Come on. You can just do it with newspaper or something. Even like paper like this. Okay, right there. Anybody have any feedback for buying and off of Kaufland.cz? Okay, back at you later. Let's see what happens.